Hi guys, welcome to this video today. In this video today, we shall be looking at the slight error in which the GCE board did in the question 2 of the 4 mark Dynamic Vector 2, which they were too close to answer, so that means I was missing most of the information. We shall be seeing the methods to which I usually tackle the problem. In my last video, I sort of
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast like a roast. I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my
okay guys, the first condition in which we can bring survey is if capital M, that's the mass, is less than 6 kilograms. That's the now if this capital M is less than our 6 kilogram mass, that therefore means that the resultant acceleration of this particle or the resultant motion of this whole system is this way, okay? It is towards the 6 kilogram mass. That therefore means that this M will be so small that this 6 kilogram, because that this 6 kilogram is going to be enough to pull the whole system to accelerate in this direction. That therefore means that the resultant motion, like I said, of this system is going to be towards the 6 kilogram mass. That therefore means that I can deduce that this 6 kilogram that is 6G is going to have all the acceleration. So that therefore means I'm going to say that this 6G now, that is 6G now minus the tension force T, minus T, that has to give me the mass, that's 6 times the acceleration, that's the mass which is 6 times its acceleration, but the equation gave us already to be what? To be 5. Good. That therefore implies, and G is 10, so this is going to be 60 minus T. That should give us 6 times 5 is 30. We can call this equation 1. Good. Then now for this mass capital M now, if this guy accelerates in this direction, that therefore means that this M accelerates upward. That therefore means I'm going to have the T up, that's T now minus the weight, which is capital M G. That has to give me what? Capital M times the acceleration, which is 5. Good. So if I simplify now, and G is 10, so this is going to be minus 10 capital. This is going to give me 5M. Now, since the first part of the equation now since the first part of the equation is asking us to value of M, we can add equation 1 and equation 2 so that we can eliminate T. If we do so, we are simply going to have, I'll just write it here. If we do so, we are simply going to have, if we add up these two equations, we'll see that negative T and T, they can cancel. So I just have my 60. I just have 60 minus 10M that's 60 minus 10M, that is equal to 30 plus 5M. Good. So that if I bring this 10M to the right, I'm going to have 15M, which is equal to, take 30 this way, I'm going to have 60 minus 30, which gives me 30. That therefore implies, dividing all through by 15, I have my M to give me 2 kilograms. So M is 2 kilograms. The M mass is 6. That's if capital M is less than the 6 kilogram mass. Good. Now this is just my case 1. If this condition is true. Now case 2, let's look at case 2. My case 2 now is when this capital M, when this unknown mass now is greater than the 6 kilogram mass. if the unknown mass is bigger than the 6 kilogram mass, that therefore means that the resultant motion of this whole system will be towards the will be towards the capital M. That therefore means that the system now accelerates in this direction. This is going to be the acceleration of the system now. It will be towards this direction. That therefore means that I'm going to now have capital MG minus T, the tension. That has to give me the capital M times the acceleration, which is 5. That therefore implies I'm going to have, since G is 10, I have 10 M minus T. That should give me 5 M. This is my equation 1. Then now for the 6 kilogram mass, now if this guy accelerates like this, that therefore means that this 6 kilogram mass accelerates upward. So I'm going to have the T now minus G is 60 minus 60. That has to give us what? ME. That's the 6 times the acceleration, which is 5, which implies that I'm not going to have my T. I'm not going to have my T now minus 60. That should give me 6 times 5 is 30. So this is my equation 2. This is 1. Now if we add the two equations, now if we add equation 1 and equation 2, we are simply going to have this T and negative this T and negative T, they cancel again. We are going to have M minus 16. So we have 10M minus 60. That has to give us 5M plus 30. Good. So now if we send 5M this way and we take negative 60 to the right hand side, we simply have 10M minus 5M, which gives us 5M, which is equal to negative 60 plus 30, simply gives us 90. Good. That therefore implies our M now. That therefore implies our M turns out to be that's if we divide all through by 5, we are going to have our M to be 18 kilograms. Yeah, so M turns out to be 18 kilograms. 18 kilograms. Good. So this is what we have, provided that this M is less than 6 kilogram mass. This is what we have. If this M is greater than 6 kilogram mass, this is the answer that we have. This is what we have. Yeah, so having all these two conditions, now if I want to get the tension, since I have the mass when M is greater than 6 kilogram mass to be 2, if I want to get the tension in this case, now I can get the tension directly from equation 1 here, because I have 60 minus T equal to 30. That therefore implies the tension in this case, my T in this case, if this M is less than 6 kilogram mass, my T in this case will simply just going to be my T will be, if you bring T outside and bring 30 inside, you're going to have 60 minus 30, which simply gives us 30 newtons. That will be the tension if this M is less than 6 kilogram. Now if M is greater than 6 kilogram, now from your equation 2, you are simply going to have your tension T. That implies your tension T now. This is not visible. Okay, all right here. From equation 2, that implies your tension T is equal to, from this point here, if you send negative 60 to the right hand side, you simply have your T to be 30 plus 60, which gives you 90 newtons. So you see that the value of this mass, capital M, right, is 2 kilogram mass. Is 2 kilogram if this capital M is less than 6 kilogram, and it is 18 kilogram if the capital M mass is kilograms, and it is the tension on that string is 30 newtons if this mass is less than 6 kilogram, and the tension is 90 newtons if mass is greater than this 2 and is greater than this 6 kilogram. So you can see that there was some ambiguity in this question. They ought to have at least given us one of these conditions, so that we can work by it. So but for examination purpose, you just have to choose one condition and work with it. Okay, don't examine all the two conditions. You can just choose one condition and work by it. It's actually it's actually not your fault that the question do not specify the condition. Okay, yeah, so thank you and see you in the next video. And please subscribe to the channel so that you can have access to all our contents, because if you don't subscribe, you'll be unable to watch all our other videos. Thank you very much guys for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you're going to see all our videos, and the ones that we are to upload, once we are done uploading, you are going to see them, because the videos have been restricted only to subscribers only. So guys, join the rest, join the hundreds of students that have already subscribed. Let's top up our number up to 1,000. Once we've reached that amount, in fact, I'll do a giveaway. Okay, yeah, so no student that has been watching my videos is going to fail the exam for whatever reason. So thank you and like the video.